Action Industries is pleased to announce our new brush seal kits. These kits have been created to save you time during the ordering and installation process. When you order one of our kits, everything you'll need to finish your next brush seal installation job will arrive in one box. From start to finish, each kit is looked after with diligence by our skilled staff. To further save you time during the installation process, the retainer lengths come with pre-punched holes 10 inches apart. This process is done in our facility by our experienced team. At Action Industries, we follow the highest standards of quality and professionalism to ensure your kit's excellence. Each kit comes with a multitude of choices to suit your project's varying needs. We offer high-strength aluminum retainers in the straight or 90-degree option and a 45-degree option depending on your requirements. Along with two types of retainers, kits can be ordered in lengths that can be tailored to your needs. They come in 8 foot by 8 foot, 8 foot by 10 foot, 10 foot by 10 foot, 12 foot by 12 foot, and 12 foot by 14 foot sections. The retainer lengths can also be cut into 4 or 5 foot sections to save you money on freight costs. Or, if you don't see the size you're looking for, contact a friendly member of the sales staff on our website so we can customize a solution that meets your needs. Together with 2 retainer types and assorted lengths, we offer slimline and standard flex brush options. Our slimline brushes come installed in 7/8 inch retainers in your choice of 90 or 45 degrees, with bristle sizes ranging from 2 inch to 1.5 inch to 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch. The standard flex brush comes in a 90 and 45 degree 2 inch retainer, with bristle sizes ranging from 3 inches to 2 inches to 1.5 inch to 1 inch options. The flex brush used in these kits weighs 40% less than the alternative metal spine brushes. This allows a flex brush to hold its bristles longer to extend the life of the seal and leave your customers satisfied. Our in-house team assembles your kit with great attention to detail to make certain it's ready for your next job when it arrives. If one of these kits sounds like what you need for your next project, please visit our website, action-ind.com, to order yours today. We know you're a busy professional, and we're here to support you and your thriving business. Thank you for choosing Action Industries.